Stefan Machinery now offers a fast, clean, safe, and cost-effective process for reworking flour tortillas, corn tortillas, tortilla chips, and taco shells. Product can be continuously fed into the Stefan MCH20K, where it is instantly reduced to a dry granulate. Our process uses no water, thereby reducing the chance for contamination and simplifying the process of reintroducing the reworked material into new batches of product. Rework can be added to new mixes in quantities up to 10% of the total batch weight without affecting the taste, texture, or appearance of the finished product. If you are currently throwing away or selling as scrap your misformed tortillas and broken tortilla chips and taco shells, the Stefan MCH20K can pay for itself in a matter of months. The cutting action of the MCH20K takes place by a stationary cutting ring and a rotor driven by a 20 horsepower motor turning at 3,600 RPM. The cutting rings have tungsten carbide teeth that will last indefinitely. The gap between these teeth determines the particle size. There is no metal-to-metal contact in the cutting area between the ring and the rotor. This makes it possible to run the machine continuously or to run water through it for cleaning. The machine is safety interlocked so that it cannot operate when the cutting ring and rotor are exposed. The number on the ring tells the size, 0.5 millimeters in this case. Cutting rings are available from 0.2 up to 1.8 millimeters. The controls are very simple. There's a start-stop switch for the main motor and a selector switch for auger speed. At the slower speed, the auger turns at 24 RPM. The auger gives positive displacement of the product into the cutting ring and rotor. For tortillas, taco shells, and tortilla chips, the higher auger speed of 48 RPM is typically used. Output will range from 1,500 to 2,500 pounds per hour, depending on the particle size desired in the finished product. The discharge product is normally caught in a bucket. Product in-feed can be done manually from trays or buckets, or the hopper can be easily modified to accommodate the use of an in-feed conveyor for continuous high-volume production. Temperature rise is typically about 15 degrees F. These flour tortillas are being ground using the 0.5 millimeter cutting ring. The resulting product is free-flowing and dry to the touch. Mixed with the appropriate amount of water in the mixer, it can be used immediately. Several days of reworked product can be accumulated in a cooler and then run as rework at any time that it's convenient. Corn tortillas are typically run with the same cutting ring as the flour tortillas. In this case, we're discharging the corn tortillas directly on top of the flour tortilla we just ran. Note the color contrast. And again, the resulting product is a fine, free-flowing granulate. Tortilla chips and taco shells run the same way despite their higher oil content. We have quite a number of satisfied customers using the new MCH-20K in daily production for their rework. We also have demonstration machines available, and your Stefan representative would be happy to arrange a test for you in your plant.